Hi, I'm Bonnie Grant, Executive Director of PHL Life Sciences, a division of the Philadelphia Convention and Visitors Bureau. We're here in Philadelphia on the expo floor of CPHI North America. CPHI North America is the premier gathering of pharmaceutical manufacturers and drug developers from all over the world. In fact, we are welcoming 4,000 attendees from 70 different countries over 3 days. Philadelphia is a great destination for a life sciences meeting like this. We have pools of talent from our entire region within a 50-mile radius, from medical schools, from our colleges and universities. They often wind up making deals on this very convention floor. We are consistently ranked as a top-tier life sciences hub, and we're happy to have everyone here. Thank you, CPHI North America. We are the right prescription for your meeting.